Well, it is the season for a whole rainbow of fresh produce. Not sure what you do after you have it, but you can support local growers during Farmers Market Week. Chef de cuisine Chef Vucko from Travelle is showing us what you can make at home.
Hi everyone, welcome to Travelle at the Langham, Chicago. My name is Chef Vucko, Chef de cuisine, and today we're going to be celebrating Farmers Market Week. So I am going to be representing a little bit of McLuke Farm produce. We're going to be doing a little burrata and peaches. So today we're going to start out by making a little bit of a gastrique. We have equal parts sugar and white balsamic vinegar. We're going to add a little bit of honey here. We're going to bring this down to about half reduction. Then we're going to add in some peaches in a little bit. Mix this up really nice. This you want to dissolve all the sugars. Get a nice saucy consistency. So this is going to take about 10 to 20 minutes depending on how big a batch you're going to do. You'll end up throwing your peaches in. Then let this keep going. When it's all where it needs to be, blend it in your blender if you can. It'll come out with a beautiful consistency like this. And to jazz it up a little bit, for more flavor, we add a little bit of orange juice. Steeped a little bit of rooibos tea. Kind of balance all the flavors out. Salt and pepper in there. It's really delicious. So then we're going to come this way. It is peach season, Farmers Market Week. McLuke peaches are the best. Southwest Michigan, I believe St. Joe's. So we're going to take our peaches, just a quick little slice on these. Green City Market's open all summer and fall. And so now we're going to take a little bit of our gastrique here. They're open on all Saturdays, I believe 7 in the morning till around 1 p.m. Get all your goods. So we're just going to, it's kind of like a quick maceration. Get all the sugar on there, the flavors all spread around. Season it with a little bit more salt and pepper as you see fit. Then we're going to start plating. Super simple presentation. It's just all big flavors from the market. Trying our best to highlight what's in season. This is on our menu here at Travelle. As long as peaches will be popping. Come this way. So then we got our lovely piece of burrata here. Get it out of the juice. So nice and soft. You can rip it open for presentation, show all the ooey goodness. Then, raspberries are in season right now as well. So I took a little bit of these fresh ones from McLuke. Throw them all around here. We got some dehydrated raspberries as well. We'll throw on top for a little bit of crunch. A little bit of Maldon salt, pepper. Add a little bit of basil and mint. Beautiful herbs. And if you really want to step out your comfort zone, pâté de fruits. So it's basically like a little gummy made with all the black raspberries from McLuke Farm as well. That recipe will be posted. You can see it's nice little jellies. Textural contrast. The black raspberries were delicious that they had. They're coming out of season pretty fast though. So we're going to finish this off with just a little bit of toast. Beautiful focaccia. One final wipe. So again, Farmers Market Week. Come support Green City Market. Come stop by and say hi to me at Travelle at the Langham, Chicago. Thank you.